want to look like. This will, like we did yesterday on this nice man with this one. Trying to multitask it. But yeah, let me put the phone step down. Imagine this, laying in bed while your stomach is cramping and your stomach is growling at the same time. And it's about 5 something in the morning. I just decided to get up, and this is what you guys are seeing. Mind you, I had my heating pad on all night, and it is still on while I am doing all of these things. I'm creating breakfast not only for myself, but for my mini little family that I created. They are still sleeping in bed right now. And I'm just a mama in pain. Trying to feed her growling tummy and feed her hungry kids for when they wake up. Y'all know how them kids be. It's the summertime too. There ain't no school. But I'm just showing y'all some raw footage because these are things that you need to see. People might look like they okay, but in reality, they might need a little checking up on, and just chit chat, touch bases with them to see what's going on. Things are real out here, y'all. Things are real. Anywho, back to the video. I'm cracking these eggs because I am hungry. Y'all, my stomach growling and cramping at the same time. If you have felt that before, comment down below. The worst feeling ever. So like right now, I am just trying to finish up my food so I can go ahead and start feeding my face. I am very hungry. My stomach was growling so hard, I felt it. Like I literally felt the growls when I touched my stomach. But anyways, that's here and there. Don't say I'm using too much salt, boo-boo, because that's the right amount. Yeah. And they good like that. But yes, I'm gonna eat as much as I can, get something on my tummy so that I can go ahead and show you guys how I do business, because I did make a sale and I'm gonna have to go to the post office in the midst of this video. Just watch, you guys. It's gonna get even more interesting. So I'm done for now. Let me do it. So I'm done with my breakfast. And now I'm about to show you guys how I ship my week from. I told you last night. Thank you, Jesus. You cannot go further in business without thanking God. Like, thank you. So, yes. This is she. And I just have to do a couple things to her before I package her up. So, just run the butter out from her. And this is people take her. From there. She got some piano over there. That's gonna be fun. But fitness is insurance. I just want to add that in because I'm always trying to do this and just to let you know towards my life because I was like, come on. So it's gonna come on. Go into after you package it. So if you're thinking about sending off packages, you are going to need some of these. Okay? And these are the labels to let you know where your package is going and where your package comes from, just in case they need to return it. But for sanitary reasons, all of these wigs, no refunds. Okay, no refunds. You cannot. This is like my favorite part of shipping my wigs off. It's inside a little card with a nice message. Oops. Pray continuously as long as 5/17. I think it's so neat. So there will be a wig, some lashes, and a little message. And it's ready to go. I'm gonna slap the address on it, and I'm gonna show you guys how it feels up. Just gonna close it like this, okay? And they are free at the post office and free on the post office website. And this is really, really hard. You can put some packing tape across the seal if you believe that it will come apart, your package, anything that you send. Whether you're using the bubble mailers or the boxes. You know, whatever you're using, if you think that the seal will come a loose, unravel, whatever, detach, use mailing tape. But I never had that problem, so I'm not going to do all that. This package is ready to go. All I have to do is put the sticker on it and take it to the post office so that they can give me the tracking number and all those nice good things, okay? And no, it's not free, but you got to check with your local post office to see how much a package is. It goes by weight. That is how I ship my wig. Oh, I almost forgot. I did not use this video, but I do have these transparent thank you stickers. And I love them, you guys. I love them so much. Like, because if you do business with me, trust me, I'm very appreciative. Very appreciative. If you do anything for me, I'm very appreciative. But that's another video. And if you came this far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share this video with anybody else that might be venturing off into mailing packages and any type of packages. This video will let you know exactly how to do it. And thanks for watching. So welcome back to my studio. This is day 2 and I made another sale. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and package it up for you guys. This is sale number 2 that you guys seen. And yeah, just watch it. Placing that over there. Get that out without so now you guys remember the routine. We're gonna need about 3 of these. I'm gonna open the ones that they come in. You can go right to Dollar Tree and get these. Okay. Open them. Have different types of glue. I don't have a pretty one. Inside this glue. it will. Like we did yesterday. I was not staying because I'm trying to multitask it. But yeah, let me put the phone back down. Flip it, and I want it on this pretty paper, so we're just gonna move these papers out of the way. I just really love this blue paper. So I'm just kind of pop this in a bag, or just leave it like this. Squeeze it in here, and that package is good to go. Oh shoot, I almost forgot. This is open, and I left it open for a reason, so that I can put a sticker on it. How neat is it? By the way, I ordered these stickers offline. And I mean, just get a couple of sheets. And a couple of sheets for like $2 and something. If you want the link, I will give you the link down below. But package is ready to go, you guys. Let me just seal it up for you. Remember how we seal it? We rip the seal, and we fold it over and press firmly. And that is it. It's going to the post office, and it'll be shipped to my customer. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, hit like and subscribe. And this is how you send a package. How you package it up. And all you're going to do is take it to the post office. You have to have the mailing address that you are sending your package to, of course, your address, and you are good to go. The post office will do the rest. I say the post office, I feel like the post office is the least expensive, but if you would like to go through UPS and all those people, by all means go through UPS. But I'm going to the post office, the USPS. And I'll see you guys later. Gotta ship my package. Bye.